Hello, this is John of Art. Welcome to our Ilonggo tutorial channel. So let's talk about something here. Actually, I just thought of doing this because I've been trying to take out the dried paint from this tube of paint. So I like this color, however, it dried on the top part of the tube. So I want to take out the dried part without really cutting the tube. Normally I would cut that, but if I do, it will all dry up the rest of the paint that's still here. So what I did, I took out this, this is a nail art brush. This isn't a brush, but it's part of the brush set. So I started taking out the dried paint. So it looks it reminds me of something. So the act of scrounging out whatever is left here or whatever is in here is called look it. So look it. You can also do that, look it, when you're opening clams or what's this? Look at oysters. And of course, this pretty much reminds me of earwax. That's why. That's what's making this interesting, because it looks like earwax. So, alright, I had lots of these. So it really looks very much like earwax. I tried to take out, look at the dried paint. Earwax in Ilonggo is tutuli. So if you use, not this one, but if you use an ear picking device or kauhi in our language. I have a kauhi here. Where is it? So I'll show you what a kauhi is. This is my daughter's favorite instrument because she just loves that. So this is the kauhi, and she calls it the niwang na spoon. Why is that? She's the only one in the world who calls this niwang na spoon. It's a baby word that she used to call this, because when she was a little girl, when she was little, she used to call this niwang na spoon. Niwang meaning thin, and of course it's a spoon. So nga is an Ilonggo word that it means that. So a spoon that is thin. So niwang nga spoon. She prefers to call it spoon rather than its Spanish Ilonggo term kutsara. Kutsara. Niwang na kutsara. But she prefers to call it spoon, so she calls it niwang na spoon. So actually the Ilonggo word for this is kauhi. So that's what you use to remove your earwax or tutuli. So like, okay. Again. So this is probably the sickest video I've ever made. So I've taken out a lot. I think I haven't reached that part where the paint is liquid. It's really like earwax, totally. The ear is dalungan. I've discussed it in one of my ancient videos already. There! I hope you learned something from this. makes me, oh, there's an Ilonggo word for it. It's naumul. I don't know how to translate it in English. I, you, like, it's like, naumul ko, naumul ko na umul. So it's like, I can't help it. I just can't help it. So if you're, kaulumol lang ganyan, kaulumol. So it's something that makes you can't help but really. All right, I better stop this. Look at the look at so much paint I've taken from this tube of paint, and I don't know what's the purpose of this. This is pointless, you know. What's the point of doing this video? Seemed rather pointless. So anything that is pointless is wala, pulos. Wala, pulos. It's pointless. Pulos is something that makes sense, something that's useful, sensible. So my pulos, if it's sensible, or if it makes sense, or if it is useful. But if it is nonsense, so it's called wala pulos. Wala meaning nada, no, nothing. So nonsensical, wala pulos. But I hope this video has some pulos to all of you guys out there learn Ilonggo. At least there's some point to this. I hope this video has pulos to all of you. So, thanks for watching. This is Jonah Mart. See you in our next video. Bye for now.